DD Audio is proud to present the new and improved D-Series coaxial and component speakers. Available in sizes ranging from 4-inch to 6x9-inch, the D-Series coaxial and component speakers are truly designed for your listening pleasure by delivering louder and more detailed sound from factory locations while achieving acoustic excellence. They utilize stronger motors to drive lightweight moving parts, resulting in precision output, while low inductance design elements further enhance the phenomenal performance of this collection of speakers. The 25mm silk dome tweeter delivers smooth, balanced highs that perfectly complement the mid-range clarity and punch of the glass composite cone. Other features such as rubber surrounds, spider contoured tinsel leads, and an elegant appearance truly make these speakers best in their class. Head over to ddaudio.com/dealers to find a dealer near you today.